to my channel. So as you can see, I have my laptop in front of me again. Let me find this website really quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Bicana, by the way. If you're new here, please turn on the post notification bell so you never miss when I upload. Today's video is Bicana takes the Jamaican citizenship test. So basically, I have it recorded right here. I'm already seeing question number 1, but I promise you I haven't seen the other questions. We're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna pop up my screen recording somewhere. I might actually make it skinnier. Yeah, I'll just make it skinnier so I can pop it up in the corner somewhere. We're gonna start off. Whew. I'm sweating. It's the heat, man. It's the heat. Oh my god. All right, let me stop. So I'm not sure if these questions are legit, but you know, it's from a website called the Jamaican Blogs. Yep, the Jamaican Blogs. And it says, could you pass the Jamaican citizenship test? Let's see. Remember, I was born here, so I don't need to prove anything to anybody. But yeah, number 1. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? And I want you to try to answer these questions too, okay? Leave your question, like open up the comment section or get a piece of pen, get a piece of paper, and start answering these questions too and leave them down below. Let's see who's gonna really pass. So let's jump right back into number 1. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? I'm gonna say, okay, hold on. We have, it's definitely not 5. And it's definitely not 0, so those 2 can go, but I'm not sure if it's between 6 and 7. So we have Nanny the Maroons, we have Sam Sharp. If I get to 6 and I know there's one more, it's 7. We have George. I said Nanny the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Michael Manley, George. We have Michael Manley. We have Nanny the Maroon, Sam Sharp, George, Nanny the Maroon. Guys, don't judge me. I know. I know. Okay, I'm gonna go with 6. I'm gonna go with 6. It's gonna be 6. Okay, no, it can't be 6. Oh my god, could it be 5? It's 6. It's 6. It's gonna tell me right away. It's 7. Can I take this back? It's 7. I knew it was 7 from the beginning. I knew it was 7. I just went with 6 because I wanted to be safe. But I knew it was 7. Alright. Who don't know this? What is Jamaica's national fruit? It's not a pineapple, guys. Sorry guys, if I was in the exam, I would have failed. I had to take that phone call. But anyways, Jamaica's national fruit is the ackee. What is Jamaica's motto? It's out of many, one people. Yeah man, no problem, really. Who was the shortest serving prime minister? All right, so Andrew Holness is still in here. Portia Simpson was in there for a minute. Who was the shortest serving prime minister? And I'm not gonna lie to you, I honestly don't know between Edward Seaga and Donald Sangster. I'm gonna say Seaga. Dang, I knew it! Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go with my actual gut. I be saying things out loud and I'm telling you, like in my head, that's not what I'm thinking. Jamaica gained independence in 1962. That's wrong grammar. Jamaica has what kind of government structure? Parliamentary. Remember we talked about this? Make sure you go and watch that video. I think it'll come up here. Who was the first Jamaican woman to win Miss World? Isn't it Carol Joan Crawford? I'm gonna pass. Bob Marley died in where? Okay, it's not 1988. I think he died in that. Oh my God, why did they put it so close? 1980 and 1981. These are always the ones that I'm losing. Dog, never. Okay, it's not 1990, and I don't think. What should be 1988? Anyways, it's not gonna be 1988. 1980 though? It could have did so long. Okay. Guys, something don't sit right with me. We've been a pass. We've been a pass. Been a chance. Look at the Nella thing. Or it's most likely not Nella, but I've seen Nella do it. This is me in the exam room. Which two Jamaicans currently hold the title for the fastest? Girl, you don't even have to ask me. It's what? No, I need to stop it. Oh, oops. I read that wrong. I thought they put two Usain Bolt and Shelly Ann Fraser Price, and I put Usain Bolt and Shelly Ann Price. I read it wrong, sorry. But Jesus, could I? No. Bing, 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 tap, 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 ding, 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 we're gonna pass, we're gonna pass. The main language in Jamaica is English. Jamaica's current prime minister is Andrew Holness. This is very outdated. I got this right. So far I have, this is right. So whatever we get when I get to my actual, you can know this is outdated. So some of this other information might be wrong. No, it's just outdated, it's not wrong. Who is the only female national hero for Jamaica? Nanny of Africa? What? Lady Nanny? Nanny of Morant Bay? Some of these choices is funny. What currency is used in Jamaica? Jamaican dollars. Girl, yo, if me I take this, my pass straight. Which national hero led a peaceful protest that turned into Jamaica's largest slave rebellion? Oh, you see, that's why I got it wrong. Okay, so I had George William Gordon, Nanny of the Maroons, I had Sam Sharp, I had Michael Manley, I had Marcus Garvey, there should be Alexander Bustamante and Paul Bogle. Wow, that's why I got that other one wrong. But yes, Paul. Oh, Sam Sharp. But chat too much, you know, that's why I get them wrong. I knew, guys, I chat too much. You're not supposed to talk in an exam. That's why I gotta feel. Sure. Anyways.
Next question. See ya.
It's Sam Sharp. I meant to say and click Sam Sharp. Who is on the Jamaica $1,000 bill? I'm not lying to you, I remember who would have put the $1,000 bill. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do not remember. Who is on the $1,000 bill, guys? I know to the way me use and collect $1,000 for know who would have put the bill. It's not Nanny of the Maroons. Nanny of the Maroons, okay. Nanny up on the $50, right? Alright, Sam Sharp up on the $50. Michael Manley. You don't want to hear. You don't want to hear what I said to come to. Look at the choices and then tell me who you would have thought would have been on the $1,000 bill. Jamaica's largest bill, from what I've seen, is a $5,000. Who was Jamaica's longest serving prime minister? Here we go again. Percival James Patterson. I didn't know PJ Patterson's first name was Percival. It's not Andrew. It's not Donald Sangster, because remember we learned that Donald Sangster was the shortest one. That's why I don't think they should have told me my answer right away. But this is fun. We're only on 17. Alright, I'm gonna just pick one. I could have PJ. I told you I need to stop doing this to myself. That's it. Next time, because at this point, I'm gonna fail. Jamaica's national dish is fried chicken, fried chicken. Fried chicken, fried chicken. It's I can't saw jerk chicken though. Baked chicken and rice. All of these, nice. But it's ackee and saltfish. The two main newspapers in Jamaica are, that's easy. The Jamaica Times and the Gleaner. The Gleaner and the Observer, guys. Which of the following are Jamaican television stations? There's Love TV. Love TV? Have I ever watched Love TV? Okay, so first of all, I know there's CVM and I know there's TVJ, so it has to be all of the above. I think I used to watch Love TV when I was younger. But we got it right. Which Jamaican singer won The Voice? Tessa and Chin. And she won The Voice? Yeah. What are the colors of the Jamaica flag? Black, green, and gold. The main religion in Jamaica is Christianity. Well, if a Jamaican is not religious, may I tell you that. Might preach religion, but they're not religious. The estimated population in Jamaica is 2.7 million. It's more than that now. I believe it's 2.9 million. What fruit did Jamaica trade with Hawaii in exchange for the Othite apple? Sweet sap? These kids outside are playing while I'm taking my exam. How rude. Mega says sweet sap, y'all. Pineapple? I thought, wait, so they must have got, so Othite apple or Otaheite apple is a Jamaican thing. I'm gonna have to look that up. Is that what the red apple is actually called? The Jamaican apple, is that what that's actually called? Because pineapple is Hawaiian, so I must start them up. I'm gonna look it up. I have no idea what a Othite apple is. Which fruit did Jamaica trade with Hawaii? They should have said which fruit did Hawaii trade. I don't know. Me get it wrong. That's all I know. And that is a right wrong. Every other wrong me get, I'm right. But that one is a proper wrong. What was the name of Jamaica's national television station before it became TVJ? I wasn't alive that long. I'm gonna say JBC. Because it just makes the most sense. Jamaica Broadcasting. British Broadcasting. What does the C stand for again? Yeah, but I'm right. We're gonna get these papers. What is Jamaica's capital? Kingston. It used to be Spanish Town. Or... yeah, it used to be Spanish Town? Yeah, I believe so. Jamaica's two major airports are Norman Manley and Donald Sangster. Yeah. Tenzing Pen? Can you imagine an airport? Oh, from JFK to Tenzing Pen. What? How many parishes does Jamaica have? 14. How many counties, does Jamaica have? 3. And see, when I look at it about Ocean and Jamaican, I'm going to know that. And I can name them too. It's Surrey, Middlesex, and Cornwall. Ha! Come for me, because I'll come for you too. How many members of Parliament? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. How many members of Parliament are there in Jamaica? Alright, so first of all, it's not 28, it's not 14. And I don't even need to know that it's not those two. Because look how close they put 60 and 63. 28 and 14 just fly right out the choice pool. Because 60 and 63 so close. It's definitely one of the two, and I don't know if it's 60 or 63. I'm gonna go with 60, but I felt like it was 63. Why do I keep doing this? At the end of the day, my pass. Regardless of what, my pass. Who was the first native governor general? By the way, governor general is the head of state for Jamaica. The prime minister is the head of government. Who was the first native governor general of Jamaica? Okay, I'm not going with the name La El Falloon because I just don't think that's it. Kenneth Blackburn, Kenneth Hall. What should be one of the, you know, I'm gonna go with Clifford. They tried to trick me, but I got it. What pirate became the first lieutenant governor of Jamaica? Henry Morgan? Yeah, him. I knew this because mommy told me. Because I like pirates and stuff. Like, we used to watch Pirates of the Caribbean and we knew like all about Blackbeard and even Henry Morgan. He was a very rich pirate, like very rich. He even I think it's his image that they're using for the drink, Captain Morgan. Don't quote me. Ooh, I'm almost done. This is the last two. What was Sir Alexander Bustamante's real name? What could I call this? They're always G's and P's. Sir Alexander Bustamante. William Alexander Clark. I don't know how I knew that. That was weird. I must have been alive back then. This is one of my reincarnation lives, I guess, and I just knew it because I knew it. Why would it be Bill Clinton Bustamante? I don't even need to know that these other ones, like, I didn't need to know that. Bill Clinton Bustamante. Bill Clinton Bustamante. Alex Robert, that could have gone, but Alex, they didn't really say Alex. Alex is the short version of Alexander. So he wouldn't extend his name. That doesn't make sense. It's like me saying my name is, let's say the traditional name is what if my name was Sir and then I'm like, oh, you can call me Serena. No, anyways, never mind, let's move on. Final question. How many parishes did Jamaica have in 1844? Ooh, one question left. Ooh. How many parishes Jamaica have in 1844? Okay, this could go either way. It could be a lot more or a lot less. And I know in America it started off with less, then became more. So I'm gonna assume in 1844, I'm gonna say 10. Oh no, I should. My logic was almost there. I just messed up on it. I got 27 out of 35. What's that? Let me see. I passed for the 77%. These kids are kicking football outside and they're annoying. Anyways, I passed. Remember? Yeah, I passed. I don't know what you need to, let me see. Let me go all the way up because it did tell me how much I need to pass. Ooh, the pass mark is 25. Hey, I passed. I barely passed. All the answers that I second guess myself on, like actually I lied. I passed with a 28 out of 20, 28 out of 35. Oh, I passed. I got an 80%.
I know that's right. I know that's right, babe.
So that's not bad at all, because remember the Portia Simpson and Andrew Holness who's prime minister question? Since this is outdated, yeah. And then I swear, if I had not doubted my choices when it came to the first 3 or 4 ones that I got wrong, we would have been Gucci. Wow. Anyways, that's done. So I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Would you have passed the Jamaican citizenship exam? Have you taken a more recent Jamaican citizenship exam? Leave them down below. And if you were going along with me in answering these, leave your answer down below. Did you pass? Leave like how many you got right versus out of how many you got out of the whole thing. So for me, I got a 28 out of 35, which is an 80% pass mark. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.